Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -2, B is -1, C is 1 and D is 2. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. So here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has basically inside the bracket. So we have to skip this step. Now we have to move forward for order of operation and exponent part. So, but in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now move forward to solve the given expression. Like we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. First we have 24 divided by 8. It becomes like 24 divided by 8. It becomes 3 multiplied by 4. And again divided by 6. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. Now move forward. Again, we have to repeat this step. Until now, we have solved all the division and multiplication. Now this time we have 1 minus 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 12 and divided by 6. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Now move forward. Again, we have to solve the division and multiplication until we have solved all the division. Now this time we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have like 12 divided by 6. This part we have solved, and now like 12 divided by 6. So it becomes like 1 minus 2. And again we have to give the reference 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Now we have two terms like 1 minus 2. So we will subtract these two terms because we have solved all division and multiplication. So this time we have to solve the addition and subtraction. So now 1 minus 2, it becomes 1, but not 1 minus 1. Why minus? Because we have the minus sign with the 2. That's why we have to solve this one. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.